Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a big Hermes haul. If you're new to my channel, my name is Marlene and I do videos about luxury handbags, shoes and in general fashion. So if that's something you like, please consider subscribing to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. So into the video, I have recently been treating myself and I have also found some items that I have been really looking for and I'm so excited to unbox them with you. So let's get right into it. And here is the first box. By the shape you can probably guess what it is. So let's just unbox it. So here they are in the dust bag, and these are my new Cypher Sandals in white with black sole. And I have been looking for these in probably a year now, but I haven't had the luck to find them yet. But I was so happy when my SA messaged me and said that he had them in stock in my size finally. And I can't wait to wear them for the summer, and I really think they are perfect. I got these in 39 and my usual size is 38, so they run a little bit small in the size. I really like the details and also that you can adjust them by the strap, and also it says Hermes here and in the sole. I have tried them on and I think they are quite comfortable. I have heard many different opinions about them and I think they are quite comfortable. A lot more comfortable than, for example, my Orans. So I would really love to get another pair in another color because I really love the shoes and I really love the design. I really like that they can make the whole look but also look understated at the same time. Originally I wanted them in black, but I'm so glad that I went with white because my Chanel Dad sandals is in black, so now I have options. So yeah, I can't wait to start using them this summer, and I think they are the perfect summer shoes because you can just slip them on but also look cool. And I think these are more versatile than the orange sandals because I think they look a lot more elegant and they are obviously more delicate, while these are more casual. So that was my first purchase and I'm so happy with them. So let's move on to the next purchase. So here is the next box and let's just open it. So here is a booklet, and as you can see it is a mug, and I have been wanting to expand my home collection for a while now, but I didn't have it in the right colors. This is the mosaic in the platinum color, and I can't wait to drink my coffees in the morning in this one. I only bought one because they only had one, but I want to buy more from this set. Especially the coffee cups and also the teacups. But for now I'm happy with my coffee mug. I really love the details and I think it is a quite unique coffee mug. So that was my second purchase. So the next box is a little box, but it is something that I have wanted for a while now. So let's just unbox it. So here is my new card holder. This is the Citizen Twill card holder in gold color with palladium stamp. I have wanted a new card holder for a long while now. I have an old one from Gucci which I didn't like. So this is going to be such a perfect card holder for me, especially because I have a Birkin 30 in gold. This is in Epsom leather and my Birkin is in Togo leather. So it's a little bit color difference, but I really like that they still match because it is basically the same color. I also really like the silk on the inside of the card holder and the pattern is very beautiful. And it also has this contrast stitching as my Birkin has. The stamp on this is in palladium as I said, but my Birkin is in gold hardware, so that's also a difference. but it doesn't bother me, and I'm so happy that I finally have a new card holder. So that was the third thing I have bought for myself. So here's the next box, and as you might see, this is a seasonal piece because it says Hermes 2022, and this is the ribbon for this year. So let's get right into the opening. So here's my new Olive's notebook cover. This is in color Shy, which is a 2022 color, in Togo leather with palladium hardware. So let's open it up. And as you see, it doesn't come with the insert, but you can pop the insert right here and there. And inside it is just suede leather. And on the outside it is just a plain snap button here. So I did buy an insert for it, so let's open that as well. And here is the box for it. So here is the insert, and I really love the details, and it has the Hermes emblem on the front, and the paper feels really high quality. It also has some texture to it, and on the back you have the snap closure, so you can place it inside of the cover. So let's do that. So here it is placed inside the cover, and it's just a plain leather piece, no structure to it. So it is quite flimsy, but on the other hand, I really like the softness of the notebook. When Shy first came out, I was really fan of the color, but I didn't know how dark it would be compared to the gold color. So here it is compared to my gold Birkin. And as you can see, it is a quite cold color, not as warm as my Birkin, but it is a very beautiful color, and I want more items in this color. And the next purchase isn't really packed in, but it has the plastic wrap on it, and this is the pop-up book. It isn't something special, but it is something that I thought was cool to have. So that was the book, and let's move on to the next purchase that I have wanted for a long time, and I was so excited when I got it. It was actually a gift from my boyfriend, because he knew I wanted this item so bad, and also my essay was involved in that too. So he said to me that the item was sold out, and he sold it to my boyfriend, so he could give it to me as a gift. And I was so happy the day that I got my gift. And I also got a Perfume Bubble. This is a new fragrance, and I also think the design of the box is a little bit different than they had before. So let's open it up. So as you can see, this is bigger than the samples you usually get. This is 5 milliliters. So that was really nice of my essay to include that in my gift. So let's move on to the main event. And here is the box. Let's get right into it. So here is our care booklet, and here they are in the dust bag. And as you probably know, this is shoes as well. And let's open them up. So here are my new Cypher Teddy Shearling sandals. This is in the color rose. And as you might know, I have a thing for shearling slippers. I have the ones from Dior that I got for Christmas in white, and these are just perfect. And I told my essay that I would be open for all the colors, but this was the color that I liked the most. and I was so happy that he managed to get them for me. I got these in 39.5, and as I said, my usual size is 38 in Hermes. So these are a little bit too big, but it doesn't mind me at all because these are just cozy slippers. But I think they run a little bit small in the sizing, so I would suggest you to get a half size bigger than your usual Hermes size. I also tried them on and I think they are so comfortable, and I can feel that they are more comfortable than the white Cypher sandals that I unboxed before. I really love the detailing and I think they are a piece of art. I wouldn't necessarily go with these outside because of the shelling, so they will probably be my inside slippers, but we'll see if I dare to go out in them. So yeah, that was my Hermes haul and I hope you liked it. What is your favorite item from my haul? I'm very curious to hear about that. Let me know in the comments. And thank you so much for watching, and if you're not done watching me yet, here is another video and goodbye.